this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Ava wig from Envy in the dark red. Now this is an Envy hair blended wig, so this is going to be 30% human hair and 70% heat-friendly synthetic. You may be wondering, why is that human hair in the blend? Human hair discharges static better than heat-friendly synthetic does, so it prevents clumping and excess tangling here at the nape. So it's a great little feature, particularly in these longer styles. Ava reminds me a little bit of like Miranda by Moore if you took all the poof out of the top of it. Has tons of layering, very long, sleek, straight, thinned out, shaggy sort of long cut. It's a bit like a bob in the front and a party in the back. So let me go ahead and show you what this style looks like in a 360 view. So this is a very straight wig. It feels like it's had a flat iron run through it. Just sort of know that it is heat friendly, so you can put a curl in it if you like, or you can just keep flat ironing it if you like this texture. She's got a ton of layering all over the top. I mean, if you cut off this bit here, it's very much like a traditional sort of bob. In fact, the cut reminds me a little bit of like Made by Noriko in the front. But you know, you add all this beautiful layering to the bottom, and it takes on a whole new dimension. This is a beautiful, classic, long, layered, thinned out style. It hits me like right above the girls right here. So very nice and long. The cap actually feels very comfortable on here, and the more I wear it, the more comfortable it becomes. So I would say this fits average, but with the capacity for a little bit of stretch. Let me go ahead and show you the cap. So this one has a lace front and a monofilament side part. There is permatease on the side opposite of that left-hand monofilament side part. We've got open tracks on the side and in the back. There is an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and there's also felt here on the ear tabs, like a little bit of metal to help keep them in place. Now, if this were 100% heat-friendly synthetic, this would already be clumping like crazy down here. So that human hair really does help keep the clumping to a minimum. I'm always impressed by how the Envy hair blended fiber feels. It's got a really nice feel to it. And this is part of their Spring 2019 collection, which they made specifically to make some of these wigs with less fancy cap features. So that way the price point could come down and people could give them a try without breaking the bank in the process. So if you've always been curious about these Envy hair wigs, this one has a little bit more monofilament than most of the other wigs that came out for their Spring 2019 collection. Almost all those were open cap by comparison. But this is a really great opportunity to get involved with some of these beautiful Envy hairstyles while not having to fork over, you know, an arm, a leg, some kidneys, you know. Anyway, this is Ava in dark red. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, and by the way, if you want to learn more about this color, make sure you check out our CysterWigs 2 channel. It's like a little satellite off on its own, where we discuss all the colors so that way they're in their own little universe. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.